So on the student profile, when I'm done making my changes, tweaking it, if I so want, I can add every other thing. I can just press F12 to save as, and um, I'll just put it on my um, folder, most likely where um, the other worksheet is, and when I'm done giving it a name, student underscore profile, I'll just save. So the next thing I want to also do is to connect this assessment score with my central database. That's what I want to do. And so in order for me to do that, um, I'm going to use a VLOOKUP function. So I would say VLOOKUP. What do I want to look up? I want to look up this particular student name. Where do I want to look at? For English, I'll go to the individual subject, English language. I'm going to select everything here, the table itself. And what I want to get is just the total, which is column 5, A, B, C, D, E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And column 5, then exact match. I want to get the exact match. Click on enter, double click, and you can see some errors. I sense that if I inspect, there are some maybe space um, like that, and let's say there are a lot of spaces, right, and you want to correct them. So what I can now do is just come here to this side as equal to trim and click on that cell. When I'm done trimming, I'll just click and drag and Control C and Control V, but paste as values. I like pasting stuff as values so that the formatting doesn't really mess up with the formatting. When I'm done, I delete. So I'm going to do the same thing for um, mathematics. And now if you notice that this English language here is calling out the worksheet English language, so math like that. So and all of these tables are virtually the same thing, just different worksheet. So the easiest way for me to go about it is just to click and drag um, or Control Z. I'm gonna copy the, oh, what did I do? Control Z. I'm just gonna copy the formula. Control C, escape, come here, Control V. But this time around, since this is mathematics, I'll just say uh, I'll just type mathematics. Oh, so the same thing here. I'll just copy and paste it here. Again, I'm too lazy, right? Instead of me having to do everything, um, this is somewhat of manual process, but um, it's just way easier. And you can see it's giving me the same thing. The reason is because I've not done any changes yet. I'll be doing the changes shortly. So for agriculture, I believe it's agriculture. So I'll just type agriculture, enter. So you can see it has changed. Literature, I think I'll just type literature, and you can see it has changed. For geography, I'll just highlight this geography, um, and that's because the reason why I'm doing it is, if you look at the individual assessment, it's biology, chemistry, like that. And so already I've gone through it, and I think I have a fair knowledge of what individual sheet looks like. Computer science, yeah, 91. You can see that's changed. Technical drawing. I was thinking of some cool way to actually do this. Well, by adding um and here, but I don't know if it is gonna work. I doubt if it will work, but it's a very interesting thought. Chemistry. Um, okay, so reference not doesn't add up, so I'll just do chemistry. Okay, then this is biology. Biology. Okay. Now that we've gotten it, it's just for me to just select everything here to this place. Just to apply, click and drag, and you see I've applied everything here. This is sum of alt equal to, and like that. Click drag. Average was average, so you just do equal to average, um average score. For some weird reason, I don't know why they need to know the average of, just weird, man. Average, and English to this. I don't know why it is showing me, it's weird. So, oh, in percentage, so you just divide it by 100. Highest grade will be maximum, then high, then lowest grade this. Then you can do ranking, so I can say rank, and I can say equal to rank. um just for context, I'm going to click on insert function, just so that the rank, so the number, the reference. So what did they say? Number uh is is the number for which you want to find the rank. So I want to find the rank of this guy. Then the reference would be an array, a list. So in this whole place, order, I think so, is this either true or false? So order is number, ranking list, sorted descending equals 0. I actually want to sort 1, true. And so this guy is 18th, this person take the first, like that until the 30th. The 30th in terms of ranking is, oh, so this guy had the highest, so I think it's in descending order, not it's in uh 0 is what is most right. So this guy will take first. This guy look like he's the highest here. So that being said, um yeah, so with this I can now go to the report card and link this up to this guy here. uh so what I can do, so the they merge these for some weird reason, and okay, and this design came in like this. You can come up with your own design if you so want. I just want to adjust this design name. So I'm gonna create a list of names here. um Hopefully in next um, video I'll create a list of names using data validation, and I'll now start linking everything. Pretty interesting stuff. um so see you in the next video.